Welcome to our introduction videos on VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS or VSA. This is part 1 of a 5-part series from Software Diversified Services titled Aspects on How VSA Can Help. We will provide an overview focused on each area of VSA's role in system information and event management alert processing for ZOS within your enterprise system. SDS is a global leader in mainframe software and has been named to the Cybersecurity 500 list of the world's hottest and most innovative cybersecurity companies for second quarter of 2017. SDS is an IBM partner in development and an advanced member of IBM Partner World. Colin from SDS will be presenting the many aspects on how VSA can help to introduce VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS. He will cover SMF options and recommendations, viewing events with QRadar, and customization for VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS. In Part 1, Colin will show you SMF filtering and SMF record types that you may want to capture and report on with VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS. We begin with Part 1, SMF record types and filtering.
Thanks everyone and welcome to our webinar today. Firstly, we're going to talk about SMF filtering, show you some of the events that you can send from VSA, so that is VitalSigns SIEM Agent, to your enterprise SIEM. So here's a feel for some of the SMF types that we collect on VSA, like the type 17 and the type 18s. You may want to report on the type 30s when starter tasks are initialized or when batch jobs run. There's also the type 32s, type 42s, the type 62, then the type 80. That spreadsheet that I'll be sharing with you in a few minutes time highlights some of the events that we think is important to start monitoring or monitor on your system. There's the type 90s. This is something new that has been added in ZOS 2.2. I think in my demo today I capture the write to operator message when you issue the set prog command. Be careful of the record type 92s. I got burned with this one. I turned on the 92s and I did not enable some filtering on it, and boy did I get enough events on this 92, so I had to do some configuration here, turned off a few events. There's a lot of information on the 92s, so make sure you're only monitoring the subtypes that is of importance to you. 102s I mentioned, 109s could be pretty important for you, syslog-d. 119s, there's a lot of good information in this SMF type. Perhaps you want to know when the FTP client transfer completion occurs. You can turn on all of these different events. That'll give you insight as to when somebody did a put or a get of a file. But we have a few recommendations on the type 119 as well that maybe you might want to consider for your site. Then for those folks that use Top Secret and ACF2, here's a few samples for you. The product does support ACF2 and Top Secret. Our demonstration today is geared around RACF, so but bear in mind that we do support, and we also have some samples using Top Secret and ACF2 and also the recommendations.
In Part 2, Colin will discuss our SMF event-based recommendation for record capture. This is a good starting point to consider for event capture that you can turn on for VSA. Thank you for watching our series on aspects on how VSA can help for VitalSigns SIEM Agent for ZOS. If you would like to receive more information on VSA or any other SDS product, you can reach Software Diversified Services at 1-800-443-6183, or you can send us an email at info@sdsusa.com.